The proxy user functionality enables users to temporarily delegate specific tasks to others within the application. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where a user is unavailable, such as being out of the office, but certain tasks still need to be completed without delay. For example, let's consider Marcus, who is responsible for reviewing and approving timesheets for the workers he manages. If Marcus is going on holiday for a week and needs someone to handle these tasks in her absence, he can designate Maria, who is also a hiring manager, as his proxy. During Marcus's absence, Maria can take over her responsibilities and complete the necessary tasks on her behalf. Marcus can perform this action by accessing the user menu in the top right corner and then choosing the My Profile option. On the profile page, there's a Proxies section where clicking Edit will allow him to add Maria as his proxy during his vacation. On the Proxies page, clicking Add Proxy will display a window where the user and the duration of this association must be indicated. After adding, all users defined as proxies will be listed on this page, allowing for editing or removing this association. The proxy users are individuals temporarily authorized to undertake specific tasks or duties on behalf of another user. Delegate users, on the other hand, are individuals who are authorized to act on behalf of another user on a more permanent or ongoing basis. Unlike proxy users, delegates aren't restricted to short-term tasks and possess the capability to essentially step into the original user's account, executing any action and accessing any data permissible to the original user. For instance, consider Marcus, who oversees numerous workers and relies on a full-time assistant to handle various tasks regularly. In this case, Marcus would want to assign a delegate to Maria. Unlike the proxy functionality, where Maria receives items for approval and acts on behalf of Marcus, the delegate function will give Maria direct access to Marcus's user account. Adding a delegate follows a similar procedure to that of adding a proxy. Navigate to the My Profile page. Select Edit in the Delegates section. Then click the Add Delegate link on the Delegates page. Will show a pop-up where the user must be selected. After adding, all users defined as delegated will be listed on this page, allowing for editing or removing this association. Even though it's not mandatory, you can also specify an expiration period for the delegate by checking the Set Period flag. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to set the date for the expiration. When a user is assigned as a delegate, the delegator will appear in the delegated user's profile as a linked account. The delegate can then select the user profile and gain access to that user's account. Proxies and delegates can be managed not only by users themselves, but also by system administrators. As we covered in the lesson on user management, in the User Details screen, in the Associations menu on the left side, there are sections for Proxy and Delegate. Through these menus, administrators can manage proxies and delegate access on behalf of the users. The proxy functionality does not require any configuration to be functional and available for use, unlike the delegate function, where activation of the company configuration Enable Delegation is required.